Chef Pennington here. Today we're doing chocolate lava cake. This is now one of my favorite desserts. It is super great. It is a great date night dessert. And the best part is it's really easy and it's not too sweet. So we're winning on all kinds of levels. We're going to start off with the water bath here. We're going to take 1 stick of butter and we're going to add in, oh yeah, keep your wrapper. We're going to use that for something cool later. All right, we're going to start with some semi-sweet and some bittersweet chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli as the brand here. And the use of the two really makes this taste more like chocolate. And a nice little tip, salt. Salt brings flavor into everything. So people don't quite think that belongs in dessert, but it really does. It's really great. You won't taste any saltiness either. So we've got everything combined there. I'm going to get into a larger bowl. It's going to make it easier to mix in our other ingredients. So 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I really suggest the powdered sugar. It's going to create a lighter texture. You can use regular, fine table sugar, but I wouldn't. But that's up to you. We're going to get started here with 2 whole eggs. And we're going to add in 3 additional yolks. So we're creating a really rich, great dessert. But remember, it's not too sweet. So we've got really almost, I'd say, the perfect dessert here, if you like chocolate. And I'm guessing you do if you're watching. So that's awesome. We're going to get those guys in there. And I've got a cool little extra ingredient tip here. If you guys want to make it taste even more like chocolate, add in 1 teaspoon of coffee. The grounds, not the actual made prepared coffee, but just the grounds. And it doesn't taste anything like coffee, but it makes the chocolate taste more like chocolate. Super awesome. Ina Garten's the one I learned that from. Thank you, Ina. We're going to get some vanilla in there, 1 teaspoon. For baking, so often vanilla shows up. We got some family honey here. Love using it. It's super good. Really appreciate that gift. Just a good little squirt in there. It's like a teaspoon. Just a little extra sweetness, more depth of flavor. We're using 1/2 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. And take your time getting it in there because, you don't want a chunk of flour in there. It's no good. You could sift it too on the way in. Cinnamon, got this from my buddy John. He got this from his family. His family was over in Vietnam, in Saigon. I believe they're living in Saigon. But I know that the best cinnamon in the world comes from Vietnam, which is really cool, Saigon. So you guys can use ramekins. I was testing out different sizes, so I grabbed up a bunch of little coffee mugs there just to see how it would turn out. So here's how we're going to use the butter wrapper. We're going to use it to lube the inside of our ramekins instead of doing it the hard way. So that's a really cool use. I'm betting some of you guys have heard that one before, but it's possibly overlooked, so it's cool. Make sure you guys don't overfill. That's an important one here. There is egg in there, so it wants to poof up on you a little bit. Not quite like a full-on souffle though. So don't overfill. We're going to go in the oven here, 425, 13 minutes. The outside is going to be set perfectly. The inside is going to be molten, which is what we're going for, which is so cool. It's kind of amazing how it works like this. But take a knife and go around the outside, and it really wants to come out. So this is hot. You can see how I'm holding it with the towel. You guys could cook these off, let them cool off, and then put them in the refrigerator. And then when it's dinner time, you made them ahead, throw them in the microwave and warm them up, and they're good to go again. It really doesn't mess the texture up, which is amazing. I thought the microwave might, but I did test it and it worked good. So let's see how we did on the inside, guys. Money shot. That's beautiful. It's so good, guys. You guys can do this too. Just follow the instructions in the video. You guys are golden. Come see us on social media. We'd love to have you. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. And thank you very much, and take care, guys.